Hey guys, welcome to Soul Foodie. Today we are going to make Varataricha chicken curry. It is a very traditional curry of Kerala. In this curry, we roast all the spices, coconut, and we grind and use it for the curry. So let's get cooking. The ingredients are 1 kg chicken, 5 sliced onions. We also need garlic, green chili, curry leaves, and some ginger. 5 medium sized tomatoes, half a grated coconut. The spices we need are 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 7 normal red chilies, 7 Kashmiri red chilies, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, a few cardamoms, 6 cloves, a few pieces of cinnamon stick, and also a small piece of star anise. We also need nutmeg. This is how a nutmeg looks. We just need a small piece from it. Then we need turmeric, salt, vinegar, and some coconut oil. Let us keep a kadai onto the stove, turn on the heat, and add some oil. When the oil is hot enough, let's add the onions. Now we have to add salt and stir it well till we get it to a golden brown color. On the other side, let's roast our spices. We just need a little oil for this. These are all the spices we need to roast. Keep on stirring it on low flame because it tends to burn really fast. The aroma from this will fill the room. Don't forget to stir the onions simultaneously. Now after 2 to 3 minutes our spices are roasted. This is how it should look. Everything has got a shine to it due to the roasting. Let's transfer these to a plate and let it cool down. Now we can see that the onions are slightly brown. When this happens, in the same kadai in which we roasted the spices, let's add a grated coconut. Remember that we are adding no oil to it. Keep on stirring the coconut till it gets to a dark brown shade. After some time, the fried onions and the grated coconut are ready. While removing the onions out, remove as much as oil as you can. This is how the grated coconut should look, a dark golden brown color. Now let's keep it aside for it to cool down. In the kadai in which we fried the onions, let's add a ginger, garlic, green chili and curry leaves. Now we have to cook this till the raw smell of it disappears. It should become like this. After this we need to transfer all the roasted spices into the mixie. We also need to add 3 small spoons of turmeric powder to it. And you have to blend it to a fine paste. This is how the paste should look. Now let's add it to the kadai with the ginger, garlic, etc. Don't let any of this paste go to waste because this is what gives the curry its taste. Now stir the gravy till it changes its color to a darker brown. When this is getting cooked, on the other side, let's blend the fried grated coconut into a fine paste. Now as you can see, the gravy has changed its color and has become into a darker brown shade. All the raw smell of the spices have disappeared now. Now to this gravy, let's add our coconut paste. Let's add some water to the mixie and pour all that paste straight into the kadai. Immediately after that, we have to add our tomatoes. We also need to add some salt and also water for the tomatoes to cook well. Give it a good mix and let's close the lid for it to cook now. When we open the lid, we can see that the chunks of tomatoes have disappeared and has got blended into the gravy. To this, let's add our chicken pieces and stir it well. Add some water for the chicken to cook and also salt for taste. Now let's close the lid. Occasionally keep on stirring the curry for it not to stick to the pan, and if it does, do add some water. Now let's check whether the chicken is cooked. It looks perfect. Now let's come to the final steps. Let's add some vinegar and also the fried onions to elevate the taste of the curry. Now if salt or vinegar is less, you can add it and your Varatha Richa chicken curry is ready to be served. So as you can see, we are done with the preparation of the chicken curry. With this I have also made some ghee rice. So let's have a taste test. Some gravy and some chicken piece. Let's mix it really well and let's have it. It's actually very delicious. So do try this recipe at your homes. I assure you it will be very tasty. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found the video interesting. Thank you for watching.